Hi, I want to give you some ideas to help you start thinking about what is physical geography, what's the subject matter of physical geography. And I always think a good place to start is the Earth's surface. That's where physical geography happens. Here's us, here's our environment, here's what we're interested in, the Earth's surface and near surface environment. There's the surface, here's the Earth underneath us, here's the atmosphere and space above us. So we're dealing with the materials at the Earth's surface, and we're dealing with energy inputs. Solar. We're dealing with energy inputs. Solar energy, energy from the interior of the Earth, and gravitational energy, pulling things down towards the centre of the Earth. These energies impact on the materials. And in saying materials, I'm including things such as the atmosphere, not just the rock or the soil or the vegetation or us at the Earth's surface, but the atmosphere, the surface itself, and the subsurface material, the rock, the geology. Impact of solar energy on the atmosphere drives the wind, the climate, the hydrological cycle. Solar energy controls the radiation budget, energy in, energy out. Interior energy drives volcanic processes. It drives movement of the tectonic plates. So we can begin to associate all the different things that you associate with physical geography with this impact of energy on materials. Try and think of different physical geography topics: glaciers, rivers, permafrost, limestone weathering. Whatever you're interested in, try to relate it to this: the materials, the energy sources, and the interaction of those materials and those energy sources. Now, what's going on when we interact energy with materials? Things happen, and those things that are happening, we call them processes. So processes such as erosion, transport, deposition of sediment, those are all driven by these interactions and mechanisms that are occurring because of the impact of energy on materials close to the surface of the Earth. Now, I've made a really messy diagram here. Why don't you try to make a neat version of that and add some labels? Label the arrows, but also label some of these different processes that I've drawn in here. And maybe draw me a nicer diagram with some volcanoes, some glaciers, some rivers, some permafrost. Try and make a neat version of this, but try to see physical geography as this overlap, this interaction between energy and materials, interacting to drive processes at the Earth's surface, and those processes then lead to change and to events and to features on the physical geography that we're seeing around us.